Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Marathon training has been going really well. A quick recap for the first video is 1, sign up. I'm still doing the race, no injuries so far. Number 2, pick a training plan. This is the one that works for me. I've definitely missed a few days. Life gets busy. Tip number 3 is shoes. I really wanted to make this its own video, but I am back on team Asics. The shoe before that was Brooks Ghost, and the shoe before this one is Brooks Glycerin. And there's not much to say. These are very personal choice. Everybody's feet's different. I always recommend to try on all of them and whatever is the most comfortable. Check for minimal heel lift, because if your heel is lifting, that rubbing will cause blisters, and have a little room in the toe box. When I put these on, my toes don't touch the front, just to give it a little more room for swelling during the race. Tip number 4 is hydration. I'm still using these two short runs. I will go with this 3 to 5 miles. Once we start getting into 7, 10 miles, I will take this. And then 15, 20 miles, I need to use both of them for enough water. Once I finish this, I put it in the back. 5 is food. I am still on Cliff Bar and beef sticks. 10 miles, I need 1 of each. 20 miles, I need 2 of each. I still like having a liquid IV before I run. Those are all the updates to my beginner advice video. Here's more advanced advice. I'm not too sure what to call it. It's just things I learned from the longer runs. And first is clothes. My knees and hips get pretty sore after 10 miles, so I started wearing compression pants. And I also like long sleeve, just so I don't have to wear so much sunscreen. Advanced tip number 2, I need body glide now. Standard areas in between the legs, armpits, nipples. And I'm finding interesting areas that's getting chafing, like between my toes. So I will body glide that a little bit before my 15, 20 mile runs. And I also get a little chafing on the neck, because when I'm wearing the hydration vest, I have a charging cable for my phone, and that was rubbing a little bit, so I will always body glide here. Tip number 3 is to take some drugs. Without compression pants, my joints will get sore after 10 miles. With compression pants, these will get me up to 15 miles. But for my 20-mile runs, I take some naproxen. This is 220 milligrams. The bottle says to take 2 before I go run. Tip number 4 has to do with weather. When it was hot during the summer, I would try to wake up before sunrise and get the long runs in. But now it's cooled down a little bit, and I really like running in the afternoon. That is all I have for my advanced running tips video. Hopefully a beginner like myself that's training for their first or maybe second marathon will find this helpful. Video 232 done.